Wait, Emma, stop for a second.
What is wrong, James?
I cannot find our hotel reservation paper.
Oh no, did you leave it in the car?
I am not sure, but I don't see it in my bag.
Don't worry, we can ask the front desk.
I hope they can find our names in the system.
It is okay. Let's go inside and try.
Look, the hotel lobby is very crowded today.
Yes, but we need to check in now.
You wait here with the bags, please.
Okay, I will stay here and watch our things.
I will go to the desk and talk to them.
Remember to tell them about the extra bed.
Good point. I almost forgot that part.
I hope the room is ready for us.
Me too, because I am very tired.
Let's use our basic English conversation skills here.
You are right. I need to speak slowly and clearly.
Did you find the ID cards in your pocket?
Yes, I have both IDs right here.
James, wait, this is not the right floor.
Really? I thought the clerk said floor 5.
Look at the key card again, please.
Oh, it says room 302, so it is floor 3.
That is a small mistake. Let's go back down.
I am sorry. I was thinking about dinner.
It is funny, we are both very hungry.
Let's put the bags down and find a shop.
I need to buy a new jacket first.
Why? Is your blue jacket not warm enough?
No, it has a small hole in the sleeve.
Okay, let's go to the mall across the street.
This store is huge. Where are the jackets?
I think the women's section is over there.
Look at this red one. Do you like it?
The color is nice, but it looks very small.
I will try it on right now.
Does it fit you well?
No, the sleeves are too short for me.
Maybe you should try a larger size.
I don't see a large size on this rack.
We should ask for help from a staff member.
Can you find someone for me, please?
I see a worker near the fitting rooms.
Great. Tell them I need a size large.
Emma, the staff member, says they have more in the back.
That is great news. I really like this style.
She is checking the computer system now.
I hope they have the red color in large.
Wait, she is coming back with a box.
Oh, look, it is a blue one, not red.
Do you want to try the blue one instead?
Actually, the blue looks even better than the red.
I agree. It matches your jeans perfectly.
I'm glad we asked for help.
Using English for beginners is easy when people are nice.
Yes, she understood you very well.
Okay, let's go to the cashier to pay.
Is this the line for the checkout?
Yes, but it is moving very fast.
Do you have your credit card ready?
I have my card and some cash too.
The jacket is $40, right?
No, look at the sign. It is on sale.
Oh, it's only $25 now.
That is a very good price for a jacket.
Do you want to buy these socks too?
No, I only need the jacket today.
Okay, it's our turn to pay now.
I will pay with my card this time.
Don't forget to ask for the receipt.
I always keep the receipt in my wallet. Emma, wait, look at the jacket again.
What is it? Is there another hole?
No, the alarm tag is still on the sleeve.
Oh no, the cashier forgot to take it off.
If we walk out, the alarm will make a loud noise.
That is so lucky you saw it now.
Let's go back to the counter immediately.
Excuse me, can you remove this tag, please?
She is smiling. She says she is very sorry.
It is okay. Mistakes happen all the time.
Now we can leave the store safely.
I am so happy we checked before leaving.
Wait, Emma, why are we going back inside?
I just saw a dirty spot on the collar.
Oh, I see it now. It is a black mark.
I cannot buy a dirty jacket, even on sale.
Do you want to return it or exchange it?
I want to exchange it for a clean one.
Let's talk to the same worker again.
She says that was the last blue one in large.
That is a problem. Do you want the red one?
No, I really want the blue color.
Maybe she can give us a discount for the spot?
That is a great idea, James.
She says she can take $5 more off.
I can clean the spot at home easily.
So now the jacket is only $20.
This is a great deal for everyday English users.
I am starving. Where should we eat dinner?
There is a famous Italian restaurant nearby.
Do we need to book a table first?
Yes, it is Friday night, so it will be busy.
Should we call them or walk there?
Let's walk there and ask face to face.
It is only 2 blocks away from here.
Look, there's the sign for Pasta Palace.
There are many people waiting outside.
Let's go to the host and give our names.
I hope the wait is not too long.
She says it will be 20 minutes.
That is not bad. We can wait here.
Let's look at the menu while we wait.
Everything on this menu looks delicious.
I think I want the tomato pasta.
I want a large pizza with extra cheese.
Do you want something to drink too?
I would like a cold glass of orange juice.
I'll just have some water with lemon.
Look, our table is ready now.
Great. I'm ready to sit down.
This restaurant is very beautiful and cozy.
I like the music playing in the background.
It helps me relax after a long day.
Let's practice our simple daily conversation while we eat.
Good idea. It makes the meal more fun. We need to buy some water for the hotel room.
And maybe some fruit for breakfast tomorrow.
The supermarket is just around the corner.
Do we need a basket or a cart?
A small basket is enough for us.
I'll go get the apples and bananas.
I'll find the bottled water section.
Get the large bottle. It is cheaper.
Okay, I have the water. Where are you?
I'm in the fruit aisle near the grapes.
These apples look very fresh today.
Let's buy 4 apples and 6 bananas.
Do we need anything else for the room?
Maybe some chocolate for a midnight snack?
You always have the best ideas, Emma. That was a very busy and productive day.
Yes, we did so many things today.
I feel much better about my English now.
Me too. Practicing every day really helps.
I like talking to you like this, Emma.
It's the best way to learn, don't you think?
Definitely. I hope our friends are learning too.
If you like this story, please click the like button.
And subscribe so you don't miss our next video.
Tell us in the comments what you want to hear next.
We love reading your messages every day.
See you in the next video, James.
Goodbye, Emma. Let's go back to the hotel.